Okay, good evening all of you. I think you can hear me, no? මාව ඇහෙනව නේද හැමෝටම?
Yes, Dee.
Okay. Then today we are going to learn the order of the operation. Okay? The order of the operations. Last week we learned that how to solve or how to simplify the fractions with the separate operation. That means when we have 2 or 3 fractions to add, 2 or 3 or 4 fractions to subtract, and multiplication, division. Okay, we learned this last week. That means when we have only one operation, then how we can apply the operation. Okay, then actually we have only one operation, then there's no doubt with the procedure. You have to just apply the operation, simplify. Okay, we have learned the steps. I discuss about the steps when we add the fractions with same numerators, that means the equal numerators, then denominators, equal denominators, then no need to do any changes. We can just add the numerators and we keep the answer with the same denominator. And when we have different denominator, the fractions with different denominators, then we have to convert the different denominators into equal denominators. Okay, that means we have to find a common denominator and we have to add or subtract. This happens for the addition and subtraction. Then we add or subtract the numerators only. Okay, in the none of time we do not add or subtract the denominators. Okay, කිසිම වෙලාවක අපි denominators එකතු කරන්නේවත් අඩු කරන්නේවත් නැහැ. හරිද? ඊළඟට when we come to the multiplication, we just do the multiplication for the both denominators and the numerators. When we do this multiplication, we multiply denominators separately and numerators separately. No need to make denominators into common denominator. මේ වෙලාවේදී common denominator එකට ගේන්න උවමනාවක් නැහැ. ඊළඟට අපිට පුළුවන් denominator values numerator values වලට cancel වෙන වෙලාවට ඒවා cancel කරලා simplify කරන්න. When it comes to the division, what happened? The division become multiplication and we take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay, that is how we proceed the division. Then we learn extra thing. It is when we have of term in a particular expression, then how we convert it into a mathematical operation. Of in the mathematics replaced by multiplication. Okay, so when we have an of term in an expression or a particular given question, then we have to apply or we replace of term by multiplication. Okay, then these are the things that we discussed in the last week. So if you were not in the last week class, so you can watch the last week recording. Otherwise you will be able to be difficult to understand what I discussed today, because today I am going to today I am going to discuss the all these operations together. Okay, that means when we have more than one operation, that means it may be 2 or 3 or 4. Okay, I don't know. If we have more than one operation, then to which operation we have to give the priority. Okay, that means you and me both should have to proceed the same operation first, and likewise we continue. Okay, so the order of the operation that we continue, both of us should be same. Otherwise for the same expression we get different answers. Okay, so to avoid this one, the mathematicians has found the order of an operation. Okay, so this is called the BODMAS rule. Okay, so I think you have heard about this one in the grade 9 also. The BODMAS rule says what is the order of the operation. The B stand for the brackets. That means when we have a particular operation within brackets, first of all we have to simplify what is within brackets. Okay, and the expression within brackets should be converted into one particular value. Okay, that is what we have to do first. Next, O. O means O stand for the off term. If there is an off term in a particular given expression, so we have to replace off term by multiplication and we have to proceed that multiplication. Then D, D stands for division. That means the before we do the after we do in brackets of, and if we have division, then we have to do the division before we simplify all the addition, multiplication, subtraction, all other operation. Division has division. We have to give the priority for the division. Okay. So next time, but M. M means M stand for multiplication. That means after we do, if there is a division, then we comes to the multiplication. Next, we have to give the priority for the subtraction and the addition. Okay, this is what about the BODMAS. Okay, so first of all, let's see what is BODMAS and let's continue how to proceed this rule when we have given an expression with more than one operation. Okay, write down the today topic. Simplifying expressions with BODMAS rule. Okay, write down the today topic. BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule is used to identify the operations, identify the order of operations that we have to proceed when we have more than one operation in an expression. Okay, first of all, write this down. So let's identify the BODMAS rule. First of all, finish with the writing. Okay, පුතේ, finish no? ඉවරයි නේද? Okay, then shall we look at the meaning of BODMAS rule? Okay. BODMAS. B. B stands for the brackets. O. O stands for of term. D. D stands for division. Then M. M stands for multiplication. Next, A. A stands for addition. S. S stands for subtraction. Okay. Then this is the meaning of BODMAS rule. Okay, Pute. Now here I will show you some examples how we solve the particular question which is given with more than one operation. Okay, with the rule of BODMAS. Okay, then write the first examples. First one here. You are given to simplify. Okay, my first example is it is 1/2 added 1/4 brackets is multiplied by 2/3. Okay. Now, according to our BODMAS rule, what is the operation that we have to proceed first? Okay. Tell me, කියන බලන්න. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා. BODMAS rule එකට අනුව දැන් අපි මොකද්ද මේ question එකේ මුලින්ම කරන්න ඕනේ ඇත්තේ? Please let me කියන බලන්න.
Bracket.
Very good. We have
Solving
to
the brackets.
remove the brackets. That means we have to simplify what is within brackets to a one value. Okay. So now when we look at this expression within brackets, it is addition of two fractions with different denominators. So when we have now, actually what you have to do is, you have to detect this one. We have a bracket, then when according to our BODMAS rule, when we have given an expression, first of all, what you have to do is, you have to look at the expression and identify what are the operations given in the expression. So when you look at this one, you can see there is a bracket. So we have to solve what is within brackets first. Then when we look at within the expression within brackets, it is an expression with different denominators to add. Okay, so first of all, we have to make the two denominators into one common denominator. You can see here 2 and 4. We know that from our primary grades, actually, sorry, from our grade 6 to 9, we have learned that here we can make 2 into 4 by multiplying 2. So what is the change we do to the new denominator? We have to do it to the numerator too. So it is 2 upon 4 added 1 upon 4 is multiplied by 2 upon 3. So here it is 3. That means now denominator is equal. So we can add the numerators 3 upon 4. Now again, no need to put brackets. Okay, ඊළඟ step එකේදී brackets ඕනේ. මොකද now we write an expression only within brackets. We do not write a fraction within bracket. There's no requirement of that. So now it is 2 upon 3. Now brackets removed, so multiply with this. When you multiply, if we have common factors in the numerator and denominator, we can simplify them. Here look at 3 to 3 and be cancelled. And for the 2 to 2, 2 and here 4 is divided by 2. 1 into 1, it is 1, 2 in 1 is 1 upon 2. Answer is 1 upon 2. Is it clear? එක පැහැදිලිද?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, my second question. Okay, after writing down this first example, write the second one also. Here it is division. No? Make a division. No? Number three, in the first question, there was no any mixed numbers. You know what are the mixed numbers, no? Always remember that when we have one or more than mixed numbers, in the beginning, okay, this is very important. In the beginning, when we have a mixed number, ගානක් පටන් ගන්නකොටම ඕනම fraction related ගානක් පටන් ගන්නකොට අපිට mixed number එකක් තිබුණොත් එතකොට පුතේ ඒක operations වලට contribute කරන්නේ නැහැ. හරිද? ඒ කියන්නේ මේ BODMAS rule එක ඇතුලේ කොහෙවත් කියලා නැහැ mixed numbers improper fractions ගැන. හරිද? මේක අපි තමයි දැනගන්න ඕනේ. When we have a mixed number in the beginning of a question, that means before we apply the operations, we have to convert the mixed numbers into improper fraction. Okay, last week I discussed how to convert the mixed numbers into improper fraction. Then at the end of the question, that means after we solve, if we have obtained an answer as improper fraction, so what you have to do, improper fraction should be converted into a mixed number. Okay, so this is very important. Beginning, we convert mixed number into improper fraction, and in the last, improper fraction into mixed number. Okay, this is the procedure. It is a particular thing that we do except to the BODMAS rule. Okay, ඒක BODMAS rule එක ඇතුලේ කියලා නැහැ. හැබැයි අපි ඒක දැනගෙන තියෙන්න ඕනේ. හරි, මෙතන බලන්න. There are two mixed numbers. So convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. How we proceed? We write the denominator in the proper fraction, and we multiply the denominator of the proper fraction by the whole number. It is 4. Then we add the numerator to that answer. So it is 4 plus 3 is 7. So 1 and 3 upon 4 means 7 upon 4 division. Then here convert 3 into 1, 3 plus 2, it is 5. Okay, then this is compulsory. Okay, you have to convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay, this is the first thing that we have to do when we have mixed numbers. Okay, so then after, what we have to do is, it is division. No? Before the multiplication, you have to proceed with the division when it comes to BODMAS rule. So division become multiplication. We know how to divide the fractions. Division become multiplication and reciprocal of the second fraction. So it is written as 3 upon 5. So then after, now it is a complete multiplication. So let's simplify. 5 to 5 cancel. Then 7 to 7 cancel. So 1 into 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 4 into 1 is 4. So the answer is 3 upon 4. Okay. Is this clear? Is there any doubts relevant to the questions? If so, please raise your hand and ask. Tashiana, do you have any doubts?
No, teacher, it's clear.
The third question, it is 1 and 4 upon 9. It is divided by 1 upon 2, add 1 upon 3, subtract 1 upon 6. Okay, do this one. Yes, did you try this one? කරාද පුතේ මේක? Now what is the procedure we have to follow? What we have to do first in this question? මේ වගේ එකදී අපි මොකද්ද මුලින්ම කරන්නේ? කියන්න බලන්න. What we have to do first? Yes? කියන්න බලන්න.
Solve the bracket first.
Yes. Solve the brackets. Good. But
Before that, you have
that,
to change the the fraction into an improper fraction.
mixed number. Okay, it is not mixed number. It doesn't matter. एक बड़ी mistake එකක් වෙන්නේ නැතුවට. පුතේ අපි කිසිම වෙලාවක mixed fractions කියන්නේ නැහැ. Mixed numbers. Okay. We have to convert mixed numbers into an improper fraction. Okay. So let's see. Then it is 9. 9 times 1, 9 plus 4, it is 13. 13 upon 9 division. And now, actually here in this step, we can convert this into one common denominator. Okay, ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. මෙයා මෙතනට conversion එක කරන ගමන්ම මේකත් අපි common denominator එකට convert කරගමු. Then what is the common denominator here? Actually, we can identify this. It is what? It is 6, no? Because 2 can be converted to 6 by multiplying 3. 3 can be converted into 6 by multiplying 2. Okay, this is the change we have to do. So it is 3 upon 6 added 2 upon 6 and subtract 1 upon 6. Okay, so then 13 upon 9 division. Here 3 plus 2 it is. Now it is a common denominator. Method that common denominator to convert with. So we can simplify the numerators. 3 plus 2 it is 5. 1 is subtracted by that 5 it is 4. So it is 4 upon 6. No need to put brackets again because now we have convert in expression into one fraction. So then after it is 13 upon 9, division become multiplication and we take the reciprocal of the second fraction. And now look at how we can simplify. We can't see that these kind of factors. එකපාරෙම වෙන ඒවා මෙතන පේන්නේ නැහැ. මෙතන ඉතින් අපි මොකද කරන්නේ? You can see that 9 and 6 can be divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 it is 3. 6 divided by 3 it is 2. So then after, look at here. We can divide this one. 2 can be divided by 2, it is 1. 4 can be divided by 2, it is 2. And now 13 into 1, it is 13. 3 into 2, it is 6. Look at here. It is an improper fraction. So you have to convert this into a mixed number. 2 into 6, it is 12, is 1. So when you write, you can write it like this. Then it is 2, then 1, then 6. Okay? 2 and 1 upon 6. Is there anyone, those who have got that answer? For me answer for the third question. Didn't you try this one? Okay, good. There are 2 of you. Okay, I will give you the fourth question. It is also very easy. Look at. Okay, try to solve this one. Here it is 7. Now, please try to obtain the answer. Yes, how we do this one? කොහොමද අපි මේක කරන්නේ? බලන්න. Here there's no mixed numbers. So here we have to give the priority for the what is within brackets because we have a bracket. Okay. Then what is within brackets? You have to detect this one. මොකද්ද bracket එකක් ඇතුලේ තියෙන්නේ? It is an expression with different denominators to add. So different denominators should be converted into equal numerators. So how we do? We have to convert 5 and 3 into equal denominators. We know that when it comes to 5, 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 2 it is 10. 5 into 3 it is 15. So we can move 5 into 3. Then here 3. So 3 into 5. Okay, very easily we can obtain the answer. So here it is 9 upon 15 added 5 upon 15. Okay, so what we get for the what is within brackets? It is 14 upon 15. Now apply the off term. We know that in mathematics, off is replaced by multiplication. No change in the certain fraction. Okay, it happens when it comes to division. Now 14 divided by 7, it is 2. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 1 into 2 it is 2. 1 into 3 it is 3. Very good. You have got the answer. Okay. 2 upon 3. Let's move to another question. Actually here, when it comes to the BODMAS related questions, the question 1 to other, each of the questions are different to each of them. You have to detect. Okay, ඔයාලට බෑ මේකම තමයි එන්නේ කියලා exam එකට මතක තියාගෙන යන්න. You have to remember the rule of BODMAS. That means what is the order we have to follow when we have more than one operation, and you should know what is the procedure we have to do. Okay, so when we have brackets, simplify brackets, when what is included within the brackets, you have to detect it. If it is addition of different denominators, fractions, okay, then you have to solve this one. You have to detect this and you have to simplify. So if you have solved some different kind of questions, then you will be able to understand and you will have find your own method of simplifications. Okay, but these are the particular rules that you have to follow definitely, and what you have to do is you have to simplify, you have to practice these. Okay, the methods of simplify. Okay, fifth one, it is 1 upon 4 divide 1 upon 8 multiply 2 upon 5. Okay, do this. And the sixth one, this is the sixth question. Okay, try to do these two and send your answers. Okay, let's see what are the answers. Here what you have to do first. බලන්න මෙතන මොකද්ද කරන්න ඕනේ? Within brackets, we have the multiplication, no? So first of all, remove the brackets. To remove the brackets, we have to multiply. Okay, look at here. When you have to multiply, you can do it here. මෙතනම කරන්න පුළුවන්. So it is 1 into 1, it is 1. 4 into 5, it is 20. Now it is division. When you have to divide, multiply, and take the reciprocal of the second fraction. So now 20 divided by 4, it is 5. 4 divided by 4, it is 1. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 1 is 1. What is mean by this? 5 over 1, it is 5. Okay. 5 over 1 කියලා අපිට හම්බුනහම අපි ලියන්නේ whole number එකමයි. කොහොම බලන්න මේ answer එක ගත්ත කට්ටිය? Those who have got this answer. Is it Tanvi only? 3 of you have. Okay, here what you have to do. බලන්න මෙතන අපි මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? You have to first of all remove brackets. To remove the brackets, you have to convert this subtraction. It is a subtraction of different denominators, no? So fractions with different denominators. So multiply this by 4 because 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, it is 12. So this is multiplied by 4. This is multiplied by 3. Then 2 into 4, it is 8. 3 into 4, it is 12. Subtract 1 into 3, 3. 4 into 3 is 2. Still we are within the brackets of term 2 upon 5 at 1 upon 2. Okay. Look at here. We have to simplify the numerator. So it is 5 upon 12. Of, now no need to put the brackets. Okay. Of 2 upon 5 at 1 upon 2. Now in this case, here there is an addition and this is of term. What we do first, according to the BODMAS rule, BODMAS. What we do first, කියන බලන්න. අපි මොකද්ද මුලින්ම කරන්න ඕනේ? Yes. What we remove first. මොකද්ද අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම මෙතන simplify කරා. Yes, Kimashi, what is it?
Of.
Oh, yes. We have to remove the of. That means we have to substitute, replace of by multiplication. So 2 upon 5 add 1 upon 2. Now 5 cancel for 5. 2 divided by 2, it is 1. 12 divided by 2, it is 6. 1 into 1, 1. 6 into 1 is 6. Add 1 upon 2. I will come to here. Now it is again we have to add 2 fractions with different denominators. So convert this into 6 by multiplying 3. So it is 1 upon 6. Add 3 upon 6. So we obtain the answer as 4 upon 6. Now this is this fraction can be converted into its simplest form because there is a common factor for 4 and 6. It is 2. So 4 divided by 2, it is 2. 6 divided by 2, it is 3. So answer is 2 upon 3. So when you have got a fraction as an answer, that can be simplified further. So you have to convert it into its simplest form. Okay. Otherwise, some of the students ask that whether your answer is not correct. No, it is correct. Up to this one, you are given 1 mark, but for the simplification, you will be reduced some small amount or 1 or like such kind of marks will be reduced because of not simplifying the answer. Okay, that's what happened. Otherwise, your answer not incorrect. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay පුතේ try these two මේ දෙක කරන්න බලන්න. Okay, Pute, did you solve this too? With the giver the 9th question කරානම් ගොඩක් හොඳයි. හැබැයි ඒක ගොඩක් ස්ටෙප්ස් තියෙනවා අපි ඊවර හිතේ. අයියා. හරි. බලන්න මම 7 වෙනි එක ඩිස්කස් කරනවා. Let's see the answer for the 7th one. First of all, what we have to do? When we solve the 7th one, what is the step that we have to follow first? What did you do? ඔගොල්ලෝ මොකද කරේ? කියමු බලන්න. When you solve the 7th one, පුතේ කියන්න. ඔව් ඔයගොල්ලෝ solve කරේ නැද්ද මේක? මොකද්ද පළවෙනි step එක අපිට කරන්න තියෙන?
Converting the mixed numbers into a improper fraction.
Yes, very good. First of all, we have to convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay, let's do. Then here it is 8 into 1, it is 8 plus 7, it is 15. Okay, multiply. Here 5 into 2, it is 10. 10 plus 2, it is 12. 12 upon 5. Okay. Then 3 into 3, it is 9. 9 plus 2, it is 11. 11 upon. Sorry. Okay. Have you got this? ඔයාලා මේ දක්වා සුළු කරගත්තද? කියන්න බලන්න. ඔව්. Have you got up to this one?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then after, here, what we have to do, we have to remove the brackets, no? Then how we do? We can simplify 15 divided by 5, it is 3. Then 5 divided by 5 is 1. Okay. So here, 12 divided by 4, it is 3. 8 divided by 4, it is 2. Now it is 3 to 3 can't be cancelled because they are numerator values. 3 into 3, it is 9. 2 into 1, it is 2. Okay, now no need to include brackets. Subtract 11 upon 3. Now here it is a subtraction. So you have to convert two different denominators into same denominator. So we have to multiply this by 3. Here it is multiplied by 2. Okay. So 9 into 3, it is 27 upon 6. Subtract 11 into 2, it is 22. 3 into 2, it is 6. Okay. So then after what you have to do? Now we can simplify the numerators. 22 subtract by 27, answer is 5. So it is 5 upon 6. Raise your hand if you have got this answer. Okay, good. Now here, what you have to do? මෙතනත් මොකද අපි කරන්න ඕනේ? Here we have to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. So let's see how we proceed. Here it is 3. 3 into 1, 3 plus 2, it is 5. Now divide. It is 3 upon 5, divide 9 upon 10. Now we have convert all the mixed numbers into improper fractions. Now we simplify what is within brackets. Okay. Then it is a division, no? So division become multiplication and we take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now 3 to 3 cancel. 9 cancelled by 3, it is 3. 10 divided by 5, it is 2. So 1 into 2, it is 2. 1 into 3, it is 3. Then divide by 5 upon 3. Okay. Again, it is a division. So 5 upon 3, division become multiplication. 3 upon 2. 3 to 3 cancel. 5 up times 1, 5. 1 times 2, it is 2. So 5 upon 2. Then it is an improper fraction. So convert this into a mixed number. Divide by 2. How many 2s within 5? It is 2. 2 into 2, it is 4. 4 is subtracted by 5, it is 1. So when you write 2, 1 and 2 and 1 upon 2 is the answer. Raise your hand if you have got this answer. Okay, very good. Let's move to the 9th question. අපි බලමු 9th question එක. It is bit long one, but actually if you have learned out. Actually what I did is, in the previous week, I discussed how we proceed or how we have to simplify the fractions when we have one operation at a one time. Okay, that means how we do the addition, how we do the subtraction, how we multiply, how we divide, how we replace the of term. Okay, we discuss all these things. Okay, then after today I explain that how we have to do these operations. That means how we proceed the operations when we have more than one operation. Actually, the way of doing is, when we have a division, we do the division as we do division. But today what you learn is not the operation. අපි මේ අද ඉගෙන ගත්තේ operation එකක් කරන විදිය නෙවෙයි. කොහොමද අපි order එක, ඒ කියන්නේ ඔපරේෂන් එකකට වැඩි තිබුණොත් මොන ඕඩර් එකටද අපි යන්නේ කියලා. එතකොට ගිය සතියේ අපි කරපු ටික තමයි ගොඩක්ම වැදගත්. කොහොමද අපි එක ඔපරේෂන් එක සිම්ප්ලිෆයි කරන්නේ, ඩිෆරන්ට් මෙතඩ්ස් ටික ඉගෙන ගන්න. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි දැන් අද අපි කතා කරේ මේවා ගොඩක් තියෙනකොට, ඔපරේෂන්ස් එකකට වැඩි තියෙනකොට කොහොමද අපි මේවා ඇප්ලයි කරන්නේ කියලා. ඇත්තටම අද අපි කරේ ගිය සතියේ ඉගෙනගත්තු ටික තව දුරටත් ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරපු එක තමයි අද කරේ. මේ ඊට පස්සේ දැන් මම 9 වෙනි ගානේ දුන්නේ මේ ගොඩක් සංකීර්ණයි. බ්‍රැකට්ස් තියෙනවා, ඩිවිෂන් තියෙනවා, මික්ස් නම්බර්ස් තියෙනවා, ඇඩිෂන්, සබ්ස්ට්‍රැක්ෂන්, all are included. So you have to identify what you have to do first. If you have understand the BODMAS rule correctly, that means it not be difficult. Okay, බලන්න ඒ ගාන අමාරුවෙන් නැහැ. BODMAS rule එකෙත් මම පොඩි ගානක ඉඳන් තමයි ටිකක් ලොකු ගානකට ආවේ. හරිද? ඔන්න බලන්න 9 වෙනි ගානේ කොහොමද තිබුණේ කියලා. Was like this. It's a very good question. 3 upon 4 of 3 upon 9 subtract 2 upon 7 multiplied by 3 and 1 upon 9 add 8 upon 9. Okay. Now here look at what is the step that we have to follow first. අපි මුලින්ම මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ කියමු බලන්න. Here look at, හොඳට බලන්න expression එක දිහා. දැන් මේක දැක්කහම බය හිතෙන්න බෑ. ඔයාලා steps ටික දන්නවා, operations දන්නවා. එහෙමනම් ඉතින් අපිට apply කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. What you have to do first. දැන් අපි මේ ගානට ඇතුල් වෙන්න මොකද්ද මුලින්ම කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා දැනගන්න. What you have to do first. Tell me. මේ ගානේ දැක්කහම පළවෙනියටම කරන්න හිතෙන දේ මතක් වෙන්නේ නැද්ද? Yes, Gimanshi, tell me what you have to do first. What did you do first? ඔයාලට මේ වගේ ගානක් තිබුණාම ඔයාලා මොකද මුලින්ම කරන්නේ? මම කිව්වා ගානක fractions related ගානක අපිට ඉස්සෙල්ලාම නේද simplification එකක් start වෙනකොට අපිට මොකද්ද? If we have a mixed number, then we have to detect this, no? අපිට මේක detect කරගන්න සිද්ධ වෙනවා. මොන්න mix number එකක් තියෙනවා. ඉතින් ඒ mix number එක පුතේ එක වෙලාවට එක විදිහට වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? It is not be same as the in the previous question. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to detect the mixed numbers and you convert the mixed numbers into improper fraction. Okay, so then after convert 9 into 3, 27 plus 1, it is 28 upon 9 and 8 upon 9. Okay, so then after, now what you have to do? දැන් අපි මොකද්ද මුලින්ම කරන්නේ? දැන් අපි mixed number එක improper fraction එක කරගත්තා. Then ඔයාලට පේනවා here there are two kind of brackets. Here it is square shaped bracket, here it is a round shaped bracket. So you have learned in the grade 9, when we have the brackets, different kind of brackets, we have to give the priority for the round shaped brackets first. So we simplify what is within this round shaped bracket. Okay. Then here how we convert into one denominator, 9 multiplied by 7. This multiplied by 7. Here also multiplied by 9. Then 3 into 7, it is 21. 9 into 7, it is 63. Subtract 2 into 9, 18. 7 into 9, it is 63. Okay. Then 28 upon 9 and 8 upon 9. Okay. Then 3 upon 4 of, look at here, it is 3 upon 63. Bracket multiplication 28 upon 9 and 8 upon 9. Okay, so then again we have to remove this bracket. Then of is replaced by multiplication. එතකොට පුතේ අපි දැන් මේ එකින් එක ඔපරේෂන් එක කරනකොට අනිත් ඉතුරු වෙන ඔපරේෂන්ස් ටික ඒ විදිහටම ලියනවා. දැන් මේ බලන්න ඇඩිෂන් කරන්න අපිට තව ගොඩක් වෙලාව යනවා. ඇයි BODMAS rule එකේ අන්තිමට තමයි ඇඩිෂන් තියෙන්නේ. එහෙමනම් ඒ දක්වා මේ ටික පිළිවෙලට ලස්සනට ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ හැම ස්ටෙප් එකකම ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ. එහෙම නැතුව ඔයා මේ කරන එක ස්ටෙප් එකක් ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් හිතන්නකෝ ඔයා මෙතන brackets remove කරනවා නම් මේ ස්ටෙප් එකේ ඔයා remove කරලා තියෙන bracket එක විතරයි. ඊට පස්සේ මේ ටික ලියවිලා නැහැ. එහෙම කරන්න බෑ. මේ ටිකේ විදිහටම ලස්සනට හැම ස්ටෙප් එකකම ඇවිත් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? Please raise your hand those who understand up to this step. මේ step එක දක්වා පැහැදිලි අය කො බලන්න. Okay, good. Let's simplify this one. බලමු මෙයා simplify කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? Yes. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 63 divided by 3 it is 21. Then again divide this 1 upon 7. 4 times 7 it is 28. 1 times 1 it is 1. Multiply 28 upon 9 at 8 upon 9. Okay. So then look at it is what you do. මොකද මුලින්ම කරන්නේ? Then we have multiplication and we have addition. What we do first? අපි මොකද්ද කරන්නේ මුලින්ම? Yes, we have to multiply. 28 divided by 28, 1. 28 divided by 28, 1. Okay, so 1 into 1. 1 into 1 it is 1. 1 into 9, 9. Add 8 upon 9. Okay, so now 1 plus 8 it is 9. 9 upon 9. So The answer is 1. Okay. Actually, though it looks like very difficult, if you follow the correct steps, okay, that means if you do the correct operation at the correct time, that means according to the order, according to the BODMAS rule, following BODMAS rule, if you do a question, then you will be able to obtain the correct answer. Okay, here I will give you another one. Let's see. 10th question. Okay, solve this one. Yes, let's see what is the answer. බලමු මොකක්ද answer එක වෙන්නේ කියලා. Please let me what is the first step you have to follow here. බලන්න මට කියන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉස්සෙල්ලා මොකද්ද මේකේ කරන්න කියලා. Yes? කෝ දරුවනේ උත්තර දෙන්න.
Make the mixed numbers into improper fractions.
Very good. What we have to do? Convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay, let's do it first. Then here it is 5. 5 times 2, 10 plus 1 is 11. Add 3 into 3 it is 9 plus 2 it is 11. 5 upon 9 of until we have completed converting mixed numbers into improper fractions. You have to continue. Okay, බලන්න මේක සම්පූර්ණ මේකෙම convert කරගන්න. Hi. Now there is again is two, that means two brackets, square brackets and round brackets. So first of all, we remove the round brackets first. So until we remove the brackets, we have to keep all other operations as they. Okay, now here it is addition of two different addition of fractions with two different denominators. So multiply. 3 into 4 it is 12 upon 20. Add 3 into 5 it is 15 upon 20. Okay, still we are in the brackets. 5 upon 4. Then it is 11 upon 5. Add 11 upon 3. Okay, 5 upon 9. Or here it is 27 upon 20. Divide 5 upon 4. Now square brackets are removed. Replace of term by multiplication. 27 divided by 9, it is 3. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So it is 3 upon 4. Divide 4 upon 4. Keep this. එතකොට මේවා මෙතන පුතේ මෙන්න මෙතන පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයක් එනවා. මේක මෙතන ඉන්නේ bracket එකක් නේ. You දැන් මේ ටික අපි කොහොමද මෙයාට connect වෙන්නේ? You have to remember that in such cases here you have to put multiplication. Okay, that means if there is a number with bracket එකක් එක්ක fraction එකක් or number එකක් තියෙනකොට we multiply it by the what is within the bracket. දැන් bracket එක ඇතුලේ තිබ්බ එක 3 upon 4 වුණා. මෙතනට එනවා 11 upon 3. 11 upon 5. It is addition, multiplication, division. What we do first? මොකද මුලින්ම කරන්නේ? Yes?
Division.
Yes, we have
Division.
to do the division. Yes. Look at it is 11 upon 5. Add 11 upon 3. Multiply 3 upon 4. Division becomes multiplication and we take the reciprocal of the second fraction. 4 to 4 cancel. Then here 3 into 1 into 5 it is 50. 11 into 3 into 1. Sorry. We have another one. So 11 upon 5. Add 11 into 1 into 1 it is 11. 1 into 1 into 5 is 5. 11 plus 11 it is 22 upon 5. It is an improper fraction. So convert this into a mixed number by dividing. 4 into 5 20. Remaining is 2. So the answer is 4 and 2 upon 5. Okay. Some of you have got that answer. No? Very good, Tanvi. You have got that answer. Okay. Did you understand up to this? Already පැහැදිලිද මේ දක්වා? Is there any questions? මොනවද ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද? If so, please raise your hand. මොනවද ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවනම් කියන්න බලන්න. Okay, I will give you 2 homeworks relevant to the BODMAS rule. Okay, you have to do this and send your answers. Okay, write down the homework. That means it is the 11th question. Okay, these are the 2 homeworks. Huh? Here it is round brackets. These are the 2 homeworks. Please finish these 2 and send your answers. I will check your answers and let you whether you have got correct answers or not. Okay. Some of you have sent me that the Western Province paper book work. No, it is very good. Then please continue that. Okay, now you have done the perimeter and area related lesson questions, and now you can move to actually still you won't be able to do this because I haven't done the how to solve the fractions related questions. Still today I did the how to solve the or how to apply the BODMAS rule. Okay, then if you can find the question based on following the BODMAS rule, then you can solve them and do the questions and check whether your answers are correct. Okay. Then after I did the fractions lesson next week, then you will be able to do some considerable part in the paper. That means you will be able to do the perimeter and area lesson and fraction. Okay, that means it is 20 questions. Now, actually, now you have gained the knowledge. After I finish the fraction lesson, you have gained the knowledge how to score more than, how to score up to 25 marks. Okay. ලකුණු 25ක් විතර ඔයගොල්ලෝ කම්ප්ලීට් කරගෙන තියෙන. දැන් මේ දක්වා මම ෆ්‍රැක්ෂන්ස් ටික ඉවර කරාට පස්සේ මොකද ලකුණු 10 ගණන් දෙකක් එනවා ෆ්‍රැක්ෂන්ස් වලින් පෙරිමීටර් වලින් ෆුල් ගණන් දෙකක්. ඊට පස්සේ ලකුණු දෙකේ ප්‍රශ්න දෙකක් හෝ තුනක් එන්න පුළුවන්. හොඳද? grade 10 first term test එකට. එතකොට බලන්න මේ වෙද්දි ඔයාලා ලකුණු 25ක් අරගෙන තියෙනවා. ඔයාලා හරියට පේපර් එකක් කරොත් ලකුණු 25ක් ඔයාලට ගන්න පුළුවන් නේද කියලා ලබන සතිය පස්සේ ගන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? Okay, then I will finish the class. You can write this one and do this and send your work. Okay, then thank you for your participation. Goodbye. God bless you. Good night, all.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you so much, teacher. Take care. Good night.